Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to draw a line in AutoCAD with 100% accuracy using three professional methods. First one is direct distance, second one is the polar tracking, and third one is from the coordinates. Let's start. To draw a line, type here L, press enter, specify the first point on the screen. This is my first point. And here, if you want to create a straight line, we will use Ortho. You can enable the Ortho from F8 key or simply click here Ortho on. Once you click on this icon, it will highlight. It means your Ortho is on. Simply write the distance. I want to draw a 300 mm line. Press enter. Your line start 300. And with Ortho, you can draw a line at perpendicular and horizontal. My vertical distance is 300 mm. Enter. This line is 300 mm. To cancel the command, press escape from the keyboard. Your line will be cancelled. This is the direct methods. Second one, we can use the polar tracking methods. You can start the line from here. Click on line. Specify the point on the screen. I will start from here. And here I will type here at the rate. Now you give the distance of your line. I will give the distance 200. Now give the angle. I will give the angle 45. You can give any angle as per your own drawing requirement. 45, enter. So this line is at the 45 degree. Now third one is with the coordinates. You want to start a line from any points. Same way, click here line and you have to type the coordinates here. Let's say you want to start a line from 200 mm x and 200 mm y. This is my x and this is y. Means you want to start from 200 up and x this side. Type at the rate 200, 200, enter. This is my point. And here you give a distance of your line. I will give 300. So in this method, you can draw any line in AutoCAD. And with the help of this line command, you can draw any complex or simple drawing in AutoCAD.